Hey everybody, Jared here live from the Freedman Center. Well, pre-recorded from the Freedman Center. And I'm here today to show you how you can hook up your own Bluetooth headphones to one of our computers. Now the first things first is, I don't know what kind of headphones you got. I don't know if you got earbuds. I don't know if you got Beats. I don't know if you got these little iJoy things, whatever they are. The first thing you need to do is you need to put it in pairing mode. You see how it's blinking blue? Now I can't tell you how to set yours into pairing mode because every set of headphones is different. So go ahead, look at your manual and basically set it into pairing mode. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, then we can go to the computer. Now, hopefully by now you've already checked out one of the USB keys that make it active. So you check that out at the service desk and you're here in front of the computer, and let's take a look at the very simple steps it takes to activate and turn on Bluetooth headphones on the computer. Let me turn the camera around. All right, so here I am on the computer, and if you'll notice right down here, there is a little Bluetooth icon. And if I double click on the Bluetooth icon, it's gonna bring up the Bluetooth and other devices. I click on Add Bluetooth. I click on Bluetooth again, and it's gonna scan for all the devices. And look, it's gonna scan for lots of things in the area, but it's gonna see my headphones because my headphones are in pairing mode. If I click on them, beautiful, it is now connected. Now, what that means is, if I close this over here, is that if I click, and notice by the way, I'm just gonna click right on the speaker. If I click, not the speaker, but on the headphone speaker, if I click on it, it's gonna bring up, it's gonna have the volume, and I can hear the volume going up and down. And this is a drop-down menu, which allows you to see what the devices are. So there it is, headphones, iJoy logo, stereo. And there it is, and I can listen. Now, that should be great. I can make sure I hear everything I wanna hear. When I'm done, when you're done, you wanna come back over here, and then you're gonna come over here to where it is, and you have a choice. You can either disconnect, but if you wanna be even safer, you wanna remove the device altogether. This way the computer forgets it and will never remember it again. And that's it, that's all you need to know. You need to make sure that your headphones are in pairing mode. You go in, you set it up, and when you're done, make sure that you either disconnect it or better yet, remove it altogether from the system. One last thing, when you're using Bluetooth on a computer, you can only hook up one set of headphones at a time. So only one person can listen to any device on a computer at a time. There you go. I'm Jared. If you have any questions, you can email Freedman Center at KSL.edu and enjoy.